An e-bike conversion kit is like a makeover for your regular bicycle, turning it into an electric bike. It's a money-saving and green way to enjoy electric biking without buying a brand new bike. So buckle up, as we're going to show you 5 conversion kits you can buy right now. Meet the sleek and compact Bimotal Elevate, an ultimate e-bike motor that will change how you've been riding your old bike. This innovative tech marvel is a lightweight, removable powerhouse that attaches directly to your bike's disc brakes, ensuring no extra strain on your chain or cassette. Despite its compact size, this e-bike conversion kit delivers impressive performance, boasting 50 Nm continuous and 100 Nm peak power, along with 750 watts to achieve speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. The 250 watt-hour battery is also a mere 1.25 kilograms, allowing easy removal for convenient charging. As for range, the e-bike kit promises 15 to 30 miles, depending on terrain and riding style, while the programmable throttle enables personalized customization for the perfect ride tailored to your preferences. Get ready to elevate your biking adventure with Bimotal. Here comes the CYCmotor X1 PRO GEN 2. This conversion kit embodies the essence of the X1 Pro's undisputed dominance, focusing squarely on delivering unparalleled speed and tackling even the most challenging terrains with unyielding force. This ultimate mid-drive system unleashes a staggering 5,000 watts of power output and a jaw-dropping 250 Nm of torque, making it clear that it's not designed for strolls. If you expect a casual ride, you'll be as thoroughly surprised in the sheer might of this kit, which is precisely why the X1 Pro captivates performance-driven riders and EMTB enthusiasts alike. To amplify the thrill of conquering hills and descents, the integrated torque sensor seamlessly provides extra power when it's needed most. This adrenaline-pumping experience is complemented by a fully customizable mobile app that offers comprehensive insights into all the critical aspects. Pendix eDrive 300 is a dynamic electric drive system designed to maximize your cycling enjoyment. This kit swiftly transforms any standard bicycle into a dependable and robust e-bike, streamlining your cycling experience. Its power source is a whisper-quiet 250-watt mid-mounted motor capable of generating an impressive 65 Nm of torque, eliminating the annoyance of noisy motors that disrupt the ride. Pendix shines in terms of versatility, seamlessly integrating with nearly every bike frame, whether it's a trekking or mountain bike, and can be effortlessly mounted independently of your gear shifters or brake system. For urban cycling, the 250-watt motor provides invaluable assistance, reducing effort and increasing your travel range with each pedal stroke. Venture off-road, and the motor's power combines with its torque for effortless uphill climbs, delivering an exhilarating riding experience. The lightweight drive unit is a breeze to install on most bikes, complemented by a user-friendly display offering essential information like speed, battery level, and distance covered. For those seeking to make the switch to electric biking, the FAZUA Ride 60 is the ultimate e-bike conversion kit. Boasting a potent motor, a high-capacity battery, and a compact form factor, the Ride 60 delivers on all fronts. At its core lies a motor capable of producing a peak power of 450 watts, yet remarkably lightweight at just 5 pounds, ensuring it doesn't compromise the bike's aesthetics as it elegantly integrates into the frame. This results in a seamless and efficient power delivery without any lag. Furthermore, to support riders on their journeys, the kit includes a compact 430 watt-hour battery, providing ample range for extended rides. It also features a user-friendly app for effortless connectivity, enabling you to track essential metrics such as speed, distance, and time while seamlessly syncing your data with compatible devices. This exceptional combination of features and components solidifies its position as one of the top e-bike conversion kits available in the market. Next up, we have the Cytronex C1, a fantastic choice for transforming your beloved bicycle into an urban electric marvel. Unlike other conversion kits that attempt to cover too many bases without excelling in any, the C1 stands out as a true master of city streets, premium, distinctive, and above all, dependable. The C1's concept is elegantly simple. It features a conventional front hub motor linked to a 180 watt-hour bottle battery. However, what sets it apart is the seamless integration of functional smart system management within the bottle's design. Remarkably, this system maintains a low weight of a mere 6.5 pounds, encompassing all components. As a result, the ride becomes more engaging, as riders expend less energy with just the right amount of assistance. To enhance user-friendliness, a straightforward controller is mounted on the handlebars, accompanied by a sensor on the chainstay to collect and transmit vital information to sync effortlessly with the Cytronex app. Introducing Skarper, an innovative gateway to the world of e-biking, where style meets cutting-edge technology. With a simple click, this bike conversion kit effortlessly elevates your regular bike into a robust e-bike, blending sleek aesthetics with state-of-the-art features to deliver an unmatched riding experience. The heart of Skarper beats within its compact yet powerful all-in-one motor drive unit, ensuring a seamless and dynamic ride. The true engineering marvel lies in the integration of a full gearbox within the rear disc brakes, cleverly harnessing the disc drive system to propel the bike with a 250-watt motor, achieving impressive speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Additionally, Skarper's smartphone app seamlessly syncs with the e-bike, providing real-time tracking of speed, distance, and battery level, along with important reminders for an intuitive and connected journey. There are 7 more bike conversion kits on the list. Before getting into the next one, take a second and hit the subscribe button to get the update on our next video. Thank you so much. Transitioning from city streets to extreme off-roading and mountain biking, the Bafang M510 conversion kit takes center stage, focusing on pure performance amidst the mountainous terrain. With a remarkable maximum torque of 95 Nm and a genuine power output of 250 watts, this upgraded drive system offers a 20% boost in power, making it the ideal companion for conquering the most challenging trails. Moreover, its intelligent pressure sensor intuitively adapts to the rider's pedaling intensity, providing the right amount of power when needed. Designed with a focus on weight reduction, it is 18% lighter than its predecessor, enhancing ease of use, control, confidence, and maneuverability. Notably, the M510 supports a maximum cadence of 120 RPM, making it a prime choice for EMTB and performance e-bike enthusiasts. The Slipstream e-bike conversion kit is an innovative and efficient solution to turn your beloved bicycle into an incredible electric bike effortlessly. With its lightweight design, it adds no resistance to your ride, granting you the freedom to pedal normally or enjoy effortless cruising. When it comes to installation, this e-bike conversion kit takes no time. All you have to do is just change the front wheel. And the best part of this kit is it fits most bikes with a standard-sized front wheel. Emphasizing simplicity, it provides all the necessary components, including an optional pedal assist system sensor, without any unnecessary frills. It also incorporates cutting-edge 3D printing technology that ensures affordability without compromising on quality. This makes the Slipstream conversion kit a must-have, cost-effective, and space-saving option to experience the joy of electric transportation. Now, we have the world's first universal drill-powered bike conversion kit. The eBike revolutionized the electric cycling experience with incredible ease and convenience. It transforms your regular bike into an electric wonder, takes a mere 10 minutes, offering an affordable and plug-and-play solution for daily commutes and leisure rides. This conversion kit allows you to embrace the freedom of conquering steep hills without breaking a sweat, as it effortlessly reaches speeds of up to 40 miles per hour and tackles gradients of 20 to 25%. The installation process is quick and user-friendly, accommodating any cordless drill for power. Unlike other conversion kits, the eBike enables seamless transitions between pedaling and riding modes, allowing you to enjoy both the e-bike's swift power and the classic biking experience by simply turning the drill on or off. Discover a new realm of innovative bike conversion with the eBike, entrusting your rides like never before. Starting with the SWYTCH, a universal bike conversion kit that effortlessly transforms any standard bicycle into an electric marvel, granting riders the joy of electric biking without the fuss. This cost-effective solution ensures you can savor the pleasures of an electric bike without breaking the bank, all while adhering to road legal speed limits in the US and Europe, guaranteeing safety and compliance. Its adaptability shines through as it accommodates a diverse range of bicycle sizes, from 26-inch wheels to the unique Brompton configuration. At its core, this conversion kit boasts a potent 36-volt lithium-ion battery and a robust 250-watt geared hub motor, delivering the power you crave to enhance your biking adventures. Say goodbye to the complexities of conversion and hello to a more electrifying cycling experience with SWYTCH. Take your biking experience to new heights with the Zipforce ONE e-bike conversion kit. This amazing innovation allows you to effortlessly transform your standard bicycle into a fully fledged e-bike, opening up a world of possibilities for your rides. Equipped with a powerful motor, battery, charger, pedal sensor, and bike mount, it has everything you need to embrace electric cycling adventures. Experience the joy of extended journeys with an impressive range of up to 60 kilometers, while the 250-watt motor provides seamless assistance up to 25 kilometers per hour. Lightweight and easy to install, this conversion kit ensures a smooth transition without compromising the agility and familiarity of your bike. Get ready to explore further, conquer challenging terrains, and embark on thrilling e-bike adventures with Zipforce ONE. If you think that installing a bike conversion kit will take a long time, think again, because this Bikee bike best will only take 15 minutes for your traditional bike to become an electric bike. With this fast installation system, Best replaces your bike's bottom bracket, including front chainrings, instantly transforming it into the ultimate hill-climbing e-bike. The kit consists of two main components: the powerful drive unit and the battery, complemented by essential items like crank arms, torque arm, throttle, battery holder, charger, and controller, ensuring a seamless conversion experience. Unleash the true potential of your ride with 4 power versions, allowing you to reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour or 48 kilometers per hour, providing unparalleled performance for off-road adventures or in countries without restrictions. Embrace the full power of biking with the Bikee Bike Best and elevate your riding experience to new heights like never before. Let's end today's list with the Revos, an easy way to transform your beloved bike into an electric wonder in under 10 minutes. With this innovative e-bike conversion kit, you can now enjoy the perks of electric pedal assist, reaching speeds of up to 15.5 miles per hour, all while keeping the bike you love. Commute with ease, conquer hills effortlessly, or simply add more fun to your rides. Revos has you covered. The user-friendly system comprises 3 easy-to-install components: the drive unit, pedal assist sensor, and battery. Once you start pedaling, the intuitive operation kicks in, providing a seamless boost as long as you keep pedaling and instantly stopping when you stop. You have the freedom to decide whether to keep the assist on for the entire journey or effortlessly switch it off with a half-turn back pedal. That wraps up our look at the bike conversion kit you can buy right now. Let us know your favorites in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.